Hello everyone, this is Dr. Goforth.
And I'm Allison. I'm a physical therapist at the Ear, Nose, and Throat Institute.
And I'm David Ferguson, the patient here.
And we're going to talk to Mr. Ferguson here about his story regarding hearing loss and tinnitus. So Mr. Ferguson, tell us your story. Why are you here?
Well, I started with the office over in Lawrenceville and had some tests with the audiologist there, and then determined that it might be a good idea to come here at your location and do some different things, particularly some of the, like the ultrasound, I'm calling it ultrasound, pressure points. And it was an intriguing idea, and so far I've had 2 treatments and I'm seeing improvement. Before, in the afternoons, usually 2 to 3 o'clock, on up until bedtime, I'd hear ear ringing almost every night or almost every day. This, I was just telling Allison, in the last week, only 2 days have I had that experience out of the last week, maybe a week and a half. So I'm seeing improvement and encouraged about where this takes us in the future.
Very good.
Very good. So what we have here is something called microcurrent point stimulation, and we're using this treatment to treat tinnitus. The tinnitus with the ringing in the ear when it's really bothering you and it drives you crazy. You can't think because you hear that ringing in your ear. It helps decrease the ringing, and we've got wonderful success, and here is one of our great success stories so far. So please feel free to come on in and let us have a look at you. We'd love to take care of you and help you get your life back as well.
And also, if we're still having some symptoms here, another thing that we've decided to do with Mr. Ferguson here, because we also have some accompanying hearing loss, is let's see if we can find it amongst this beautiful mass of hair here. Let's see if we can find the... Oh.
I've got hearing aids off.
Yeah, I got the hearing aids off. So we also have hearing aids for when the tinnitus really gets roaring. Then we can treat that as well symptomatically with a process called progressive tinnitus management or tinnitus retraining therapy. So give us a call and we'll see what we can do to help you get some relief.